Okay, so now we are going to color this uh, black and white drawing of our superhero. Now, we have our image right here, our pencil sketch. This image is, let me unlock it. This is the pencil sketch that we did of the superhero, right? I'm going to hide it so we can just see the ink drawing. So now we have the ink drawing. The other one is just hidden. And now I'm going to select all of the drawing paths, every single path. Select every single path. Hold the shift and group it into one group. It actually puts it in a folder. See if you open it. There it is. So I'm going to call this the ink drawing. Ink drawing. Okay. So I have the pencil sketch here. I have the ink drawing here. I can even hide the ink drawing and just see the pencil sketch. But okay, so now we are going to color. So okay, don't forget to lock your ink drawing so it doesn't move. Lock your pencil sketch so it doesn't move. I'm gonna lock this background too. And what we're going to do now is we're going to color. So you take the pen tool, and remember, it's a lot easier to overlap. And what is he talking about? Let me show you. So I'm going to click inside the lines, and this is a good reason why you want to get rid of the border, because let me just give the border a color so you can see that what's going on. So I'm going to make it red just so that you can see the border. Okay. And then you see that it actually is covering the brushstroke. I'm drawing right on top of the brushstroke actually. But I'm just trying to show you that it's thick. And sometimes, oh, there's something there. I forgot to clean that up. Okay. So I'm selecting the hair because I'm going to add color to the hair. Now, we want to make the brush strokes with very few what do you call it? Very few anchor points, because that would make the curves beautiful, nice and smooth. But when you're coloring, okay, also I can change the thickness of this to 0.2. Let's see. There. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah, that we want to use a few anchor points on our brush strokes because we want the things to look smooth. Now, when we're coloring, it doesn't seem to matter because you're not going to see the line, and the line is going to be hidden behind the ink drawing. So in that case, it doesn't matter. So okay, now we have a problem here. Now I'm gonna have to go around because I want this piece of hair. I want it to be sticking out to the hole right here. So let's see. Okay, and I'm gonna close it right here. There. So I'm gonna add a color now to this hair. I have to figure out what kind of color hair do I want. Do I want brown or what kind? I'll go with brown. Let's see. So I'm gonna go to look for an orange, and then kind of pick a brown hair like that. Now, and then I'm gonna grab this path right here on these layers and drag it underneath the vector, underneath the ink drawing, right? Now, just so you can see what it looks like. You see, it looks like that. Now, and then we also need to get rid of the stroke. And why do we need to get rid of the stroke? Because if I make it, let's make it 1. I think it was 1 before, right? That if I have a stroke of 1, there are areas where the right here, it's going to stick out. It's going to mess up my my beautiful strokes. Because if I make this black, let me just make this black. Make it black, and you can see that now my line work looks terrible. But if we delete it, let's delete this right here at the border. Delete it. Boom. Now I can see my beautiful lines, and I have the brown hair. Okay. So now, and when I was talking about overlay, do it on top, because don't waste your time trying to go around her face, because we're going to just go over it like this. Just select her face, and again, I could probably change the color just so you can see where the thing is going, and you can just make it 0.2 so you can see it. So you can try to be accurate. You want to stay inside the lines. Oh, wait a minute. Now I made a mistake. This is her hairline right here. She got all this detail. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of detail. But I made a mistake. I need to go back, hit the backspace key. Oops. What did I do? Did I do it too fast? I think I did it too fast. Oh, there it is. Is that it? No, that's the oh, now it's frozen. Uh-oh. This image is frozen. Oh, because I can't select it. Okay. So let's try it again. I was saying that you can, again, let me change the color of that to the pink and make it 0.2. What time is it? And then if you wanted to go back, you hit the backspace to go backwards. Oh, that's strange. It disappeared again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Backspace. Oh, you can go, but I guess you can't go more than 2. But if you needed to go backwards, hit the backspace key. But I guess you can only go 2 times. Again, so there's a limit. Oh, that's the fill. Never mind with the fill. I'm gonna hide that. And I meant to color this, the outline. Mr. Rodriguez, you're confusing us. Okay. So, okay, let's go. This is gonna be tricky because she put all this fine detail. This is one of my students' work. Very nice job. So I have to select all these tiny little hairs. Okay, now I'm actually doing this. Her skin. I'm going to in the inside of the hairline. Selecting her skin. Is that her face? Let's just go with. Is that her neck? This could be her neck. So I'm going to go over here this way. And oh, is that a costume? She's wearing a costume. So I guess we can't see her neck. We actually don't see her neck. So go around. Wheels there. I close this shape. And I gotta pick a skin color. It's kind of tricky to find skin color. Okay, I'll make that the skin color. Delete the border and drag this underneath the ink drawing. There it is. It looks a little yellow, so I'm going to make it a little reddish. Make it a little more red. There. Okay, there. We have our skin color. And then, you notice I'm overlapping? I put it right on top of the hair. Now I'm going to do her eyeballs. Always start out with the back, the far, everything, whatever's in the back. Let's put this 0.2. and just so you can see where it's going. There it is. And so it's going to make her eyes, I was going to say eyeballs white, but in reality eyeballs are not white. A little bit, they have a little bit of flesh color, so I'm going to make it a little bit of flesh color. So maybe a little like that, just a little bit of flesh color, and then delete the border and drag this underneath the drawing. Okay, and then I'm going to do the eye color. You guys pick whatever eye color you guys want to. Maybe I'll do green there, and make her eyes green. I think I'm running out of time here. There. Oops, red. It's meant to do green. There. And I happen to draw it underneath the ink drawing, so I don't have to move it underneath the ink drawing. So there, like that. And then she's wearing this neck thing. I can also move stuff underneath stuff. So let me see. So here she's wearing this, I don't know, metallic thing. I can give it a color, I don't know, metallic blue. Let's just say he's wearing some metallic blue stuff. Okay, now I can drag this underneath the hair and underneath the skin. So just drag it down like that. There. So it's underneath the hair and underneath this. That way I can save some time on, but then I have to not having to go around that. So there. I'm gonna hit the save button. Don't forget to save. And oops, you see it's bouncing up and down. It's saving. Okay. How much time do I have? I have a few more minutes. This videos can only be like 15 minutes. So, okay, again, I'm going to stick this underneath. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay, I made a mistake. Let me see, where's the other? Oops. If you lose the line, I lost that line. Just click right on top of it to continue. And I went in the wrong line. So that's okay. That's okay. Watch, I can show you how to fix it. So I'm selecting this little V shape thing here, and a lot of these costumes, they're using like Captain America, Wonder Woman, using the American flag. So let's do that. So okay. So let's see, which color should I make that? Let's do like an American blue. Let's see, is that a blue? And then delete the outline. And then drag this underneath the... Actually, we need to do it underneath the hair. I'm going to go down low. Let's see, there. And now we have to go underneath the neck. There. And wait a minute, the stars are white. I can't remember the American flag. So then we can make, this is the mistake I made over here. You can just fix it. Just use the white pointer and the white arrow and move the point around as if you made a mistake like that. And I think I have to stop now because the video is going to run out of time. So I'll save it. Don't forget to export it. All right. Bye.